Good morning, children. Welcome to today's English class. Today we are going to learn a grammar topic, that is degrees of comparison. In that, we will learn how to compare things. Degrees of comparison. So what is this degrees of comparison? Yes, degrees of comparisons are used when we compare one person or one thing with another one. So when we want to compare two things, then or more than two things, we use this degrees of comparison. So we'll see what are the degrees of comparison. There are three degrees of comparison. The first one is positive degree. The second one is comparative degree. Third one is superlative degree. What are they, children? Yes, positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Now let us learn about positive degree. So what is this positive degree? This positive degree, it gives us information without comparing any things. Now see the first example, dangerous. So the lion is a dangerous animal. Proud. Meena is a proud girl. So here we are just giving information. Okay. Then graceful. Her movements were very graceful. Terrifying. Terrifying means extreme fear, children. So it was truly a terrifying experience. So here we are just giving information. We are not comparing with any other things. Now we'll see the comparative degree. The comparative degree is used to compare only two things. So when you want to compare two things, we use comparative degree. Now here you see the picture. The bee is smaller than the bird. So two pictures are there. So which one is smaller? The bee. So the bee is smaller than the bird. Okay, when we are comparing, we use than word. Okay. Now we'll see one more example. The comparative degree, the butterfly is prettier than the worm. So which one is looking more prettier? So butterfly. So butterfly is prettier than the worm. Next one. The ant is slower than the cockroach. So here we are seeing the movements of it. So which one is slower? Ant. So the ant is slower than the cockroach. So here we are comparing two insects. Now coming to superlative degree. The superlative degree is used to compare three or more objects, people or places. So we can compare objects, people and places also. So here you can see the three insects. The ladybug is cuter than the fly. So here we have ladybug, fly and the grasshopper. So here we are now comparing two things. Later we'll compare with three things. So the ladybug is cuter than the fly, but the grasshopper is the cutest of all. Okay. So when we are going to compare the third one, we say that it is the cutest of all. Okay. Next one. The worm is faster than the snail, but the spider is the fastest of them all. So first we are comparing the worm and the snail. So which one is faster? The worm is faster than the snail, but the spider is the fastest of them all. Compared to all, the spider is the fastest. The fastest. Clear? Now the next one. The yellow butterfly is prettier than the blue butterfly. So here yellow and blue butterflies are only compared. So in that yellow and blue, which one is prettier? The yellow butterfly is prettier. But the pink butterfly is the prettiest of them all. So when we compare, when we are taking more than two, then we say the prettiest of them all. So the pink one is the prettiest of them all. Now we'll see some rules, children. The first rule, add R or ST to words that end in E. So here the word is safe. So this word safe, wide, tame. These three words are ending with E. So for these words which end in E, we just add R in comparative degree and ST in superlative degree. So safe, safer, safest. Wide, wider, widest. Tame, tamer, tamest. Clear? Now, see the next one. Large, larger, largest. So large word is ending with E. So we are adding just R to it. And in superlative degree, we are just adding ST. So positive degree is large, comparative degree is larger, largest is superlative degree. Now the next rule, children. If the word ends in Y, change the Y to I, then add ER or EST. So here all the three words are ending with Y. So when the word is ending with Y, so when you want to compare it with the other one, then we add IER. So you have to remove Y, change Y, you have to remove, change the Y to I. So remove Y, add IER. And in superlative degree, IEST. So when an adjective is ending with Y, you have to remove Y, add I, then ER in positive degree, IEST in superlative degree. Is it clear? Tidy, tidier, tidiest. See the spelling, children. Happy, happier, happiest. Lucky, luckier, luckiest. Clear? Now we'll see one example. We'll see with heavy. So heavy. So sword is a heavy. Is heavy. So it is ending with Y. So it is a positive degree. So when we want to compare, then we compare with another tool, that is an anchor. So when we want to compare with the another one, we are removing Y and we are writing IER. Okay. So when we want to compare with the big box, then we are writing IEST. Clear, children? So positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Now, dirty, dirtier, dirtiest. Even dirty also it is ending with Y. So remove Y, add I. Then ER, EST. Clear, children? Now the next rule. When the word has a short sound, then the last letter must be doubled when adding ER or EST. So what is this short sound? Big. So big, short sound. Hot. So at a time we are saying it. Hot, sad. So this has a short sound. So when an adjective has a short sound, we have to double the last alphabet. So what is the last alphabet here in big? G is the last one. So G, you have to write one more G. So we have to make two G's. So bigger. In comparative degree and superlative degree, we have to double the last alphabet. So big, bigger, biggest. So BIG and G you are going to double it. BIGGER and biggest BIGGEST. Now hot, sad, hot, hot, hotter, hottest. Sad, sadder, saddest. So is this rule clear, children? So when the word has a short sound, the last letter must be doubled when adding ER or EST. Clear? Now we'll see one example for it. Big, bigger, biggest. Big, it is a short sound. Big, bigger, biggest. So double G, EST. Double GER, double GEST. Clear, children? Now the next rule, children. When the word has only one syllable and ends on two consonants, add ER or EST. So that means when the word has a one syllable means smart. So we are not saying, we are not breaking that word. Okay, it has only one syllable. Whereas take another word, expensive, it has three syllables. So smart, only one syllable. Black, only one syllable. Cold, only one syllable. So when the word has a one syllable and ends on two consonants, so it is ending with two consonants, children, R and T. So we should have one syllable and ending with two consonants. RT is there. Black in the two consonants is C and K. Cold, L and D. Okay. So before those, vowel is there. So we are not bothered about that. Last two alphabets are consonants. So if last two alphabets are consonant and the word is one syllable, we have to just add ER and EST. So ER in comparative degree and EST in superlative degree. So smart, smarter, smartest. Black, blacker, blackest. Cold, colder, coldest. Clear, children? Now we'll see one example. Now look at this girl. So smart. So the girl looks very smart. So how she's learning the things, just looking at the picture. Now next look at the boy. He's sitting and learning. He's smarter. Okay. Now see the other girl. Now everyone, you're all smartest. Okay. So smartest. She's looking at the phone and she's learning things. So smart, smarter, smartest. Okay. So smart is ending with two consonants, R and T, and it is only one syllable. So then we are just adding ER in comparative degree and EST in superlative degree. Is this clear, children? We'll move on to the next one. Small, smaller, smallest. Small. Okay, one syllable with two consonants. Last two alphabets are consonants. So small, smaller, smallest. Clear? Now another rule. Some words, they do not follow the rules. Okay, sometimes we don't follow the rules, isn't it? So certain words, how they change in comparative degree and superlative degree, we will see. Good, better, the best. Okay, good, better, the best. So you need to learn this. So positive degree, good. Better is comparative degree. Superlative degree is the best. Okay, bad, worse, the worst. Much, more, the most. And one thing, children, you have to remember is when we are writing comparative degree, after the comparative degree word, you will get than, T-H-A-N. Okay, then for superlative degree, before that superlative degree, before word will be the. Clear? Now see here, good. The cake is good. Okay, the cake is looking good. But the second one, the second cake is better than the first cake. Okay, second one is better than the first one. Third one, third cake. So that is the best of all. Okay, so positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Good, better, the best. Clear, children? Now another rule. Words with three or more syllable gets more and most before the word. So before the word means the adjective, the word positive degree word or the comparative degree. So here syllables we have to see. Beautiful, interesting. So three syllable. Expensive. Okay, so here this particular word, the words which have two or more than two. So words with three or more. Okay, three or more, children, they get more and most before the word. So beautiful. So three syllables are there. So for this beautiful, we will add more in comparative degree and most in superlative degree. For example, the girl looks beautiful. Okay, and Sheena is more beautiful than Meena. Okay, and Pallavi is the most beautiful girl in the class. So when we are comparing, when we want to say a girl is beautiful, we say a girl is beautiful. When we want to compare two girls, then we say one girl is beautiful, is more beautiful than the other. When we are comparing more than two, so and so girl is the most beautiful girl in the class. Okay, interesting, more interesting, most interesting. Expensive, more expensive, most expensive. Is this clear, children? So here in this rule, the word should have more two or more syllables. Okay, more than two syllables. Then we use more and most in comparative degree and superlative degree. Clear, children? We'll see one example for this. Now look at this. Expensive. Okay, three syllables. More expensive. The most expensive. Is this clear? So expensive is positive degree, comparative degree is more expensive, superlative degree is the most expensive. So expensive t-shirt is expensive. Okay, very good one. Then watch, it is more expensive than the t-shirt. And see the diamond ring, it is the most expensive of all of them. Clear? Now it's time to check it out, children. Get out your whiteboard or paper and choose the correct form of the word. So now pause the video, take a paper and write down the correct answers. Clear? Shall we start? Yes. Cats are dash than mice. Okay. So cats are big, bigger, biggest. What will come, children? Yes, right. You are right. It is bigger. See, after bigger, than will come. So here we are comparing cats and mice. Okay, only two we are comparing. So it is a comparison between two animals. So we use ER word, bigger. So after that, than will come. Is this clear, children? Now the next one. Butterflies are dash than grasshoppers. So butterflies are very good, prettier than grasshoppers. Now the next one. Lions are dash than spiders. So lions are more dangerous than spiders. Okay, so than is given. So we have to use comparative degree word. Okay, so after the dash, if than is there, you have to use comparative degree. Now the next one. Please give me the dash apple. So before dash, what is there? The is there. Please give me the dash apple. So what will come? Big, bigger, biggest. Which one will come, children? Yes, very good. Biggest. So before the superlative degree, the should be there. Clear? Now the next one. Ben is the dash boy that I have ever met. Okay, the is there before the dash. So what degree will come? Yes, very good, superlative degree. So kind, kinder, kindest. So what will come, children? Yes, kindest. Ben is the kindest boy that I ever met. Next one. Today is dash than yesterday. Cold, colder, coldest. Dash after dash, than is there. So we are comparing today and yesterday only. So it is a comparison between two. So what will come, children? Yes, very good. Colder. Is this clear, children? Thank you.